Hey folks, in this video I will show you how to change the font in Notepad++. So to change the font, go to Settings and click on Style Configurator. So in here, in first menu, you can select the language you want to change the font, like specific programming language, C++, Java, or you can set it globally. So I select global style. So in second menu, you can select where you want to change the font. So in here, I select default style. So that means font will be changed in this default notepad. So to change the font, click on this arrow icon in font style. Select the font you want to add. So for example, if I select this font, you can see the font is changed. So that's it. After that, what you need to do is save and close so that your font style will be saved. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.